Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Telangana entry into assembly only for those tested negative for COVID-19. All ministers, MLAs, Telangana legislature staff, and journalists have to undergo COVID-19 test before attending the ensuing monsoon session. A decision to this effect was taken at a meeting conducted by Telangana Legislative Council Chairman Gutha Sukender Reddy and Assembly Speaker Pocharam Srinivas Reddy on Friday. The monsoon session of Telangana legislature will commence on September 7. Test for those attending the session would be conducted from Friday at the assembly premises. Pilot project for free power DBT to be in Srikakulam. The Andhra Pradesh cabinet approved the direct benefit transfer DBT of free power subsidy for agricultural connections and resolved to implement it on a pilot basis in Srikakulam district before expanding it to the rest of the state from April 1, 2021. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy promised free power for agriculture would continue to be provided and no connections would be removed. Further, around 1 lakh unauthorized farm power connections will be regularized. The cost of setting up meters for agriculture power connections will be borne by the government. Andhra Pradesh reported 10,776 new coronavirus cases in 24 hours. Andhra Pradesh reported 10,776 new coronavirus cases, 12,334 recoveries, and 76 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the total cases to 4,76,506, including 3,70,163 recoveries and 4,276 deaths. Number of active cases stands at 1,02,067, says State Health Department. At 18%, COVID-19 positivity rate highest among healthcare staff in Telangana. Telangana's healthcare workers have the highest COVID-19 positivity rate of 18% in the country, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare revealed. According to the ministry's data, the state beats Maharashtra, where the positivity rate is 16%, despite it recording the highest number of COVID cases overall. Delhi too has a 14% positivity rate among healthcare workers. 85,000 2 BHK houses ready in GHMC area, says KTR. Municipal Administration and Urban Development Minister KT Ramarao on Friday said that 85,000 double-bedroom houses would be handed over to beneficiaries in GHMC limits shortly. To this effect, orders have been issued to the GHMC and respective district collectors to expedite the process of identifying the beneficiaries. The minister said while reviewing the developmental works under progress in 3 parliamentary constituencies of Hyderabad, Secunderabad and Chavila with MLAs, MLCs and others. Minister Bocha Satyanarayana flags off new sanitation vehicles for VMC. Municipal Administration and Urban Development MAUD Minister Bocha Satyanarayana flagged off 7 vehicles to be used for sanitation works by Vijayawada Municipal Corporation VMC. The vehicles were procured for a total of Rs 2.19 crore. He said the corporation was adopting machinery with latest technology as to ensure sanitation in a short time even with less manpower. Hyderabad Civic Body allots Rs 1 lakh for sports equipment. The GHMC Standing Committee, which met in Hyderabad under the chairmanship of Mayor Bontu Ram Mohan, approved the provision of Rs 1 lakh for the purchase of play equipment and sports material to its corporator division, in addition to the previously sanctioned Rs 1 lakh. The committee also approved the Animal Birth Control ABC and Anti-Rabies AR program to increase the number of sterilizations and rabies prevention vaccinations in the GHMC by involving animal welfare organizations. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.